Yeah, I know they can now. Walter already has, and he's done things with it. Yeah, I guess there's a little button. I don't know. Do you have to opt out every time you do a live stream? I don't remember. I think there's somewhere I can say do not allow my material be used, but I usually don't care. Why would I? Right? That's why I don't worry about it. I don't really have any material. This is not really content. This is today. But let me know if I should worry. I can't imagine worrying about anybody using the content. And they might want to use it and make fun of me or something or make me look bad, but good luck. People always try to make me look bad. The people who know me, they know better. So, whatever. Anyway, I can handle anything. Nothing I have to worry about. Just quit smoking cigarettes. There's a big hummingbird out there somewhere. I just saw him fly in, but I don't see him. I think you did. I think I understood what you were saying. Bird, you're not as bad as other people. Don't worry about it. I got most of that. Now, if it was Walter, you know, that would be all right because I'm used to that. Anybody see a hummingbird out there? I saw him fly in, but I don't have enough bloom going on yet. I need more water out there. I gotta water twice a day.